AI for Life means use AI technology to make your daily life more comfortable, convenient.
The AI sink, we are transforming the traditional sink from a passive utility into an active kitchen hub. So it's no longer just about water and disposal. It's about guidance, organization, and efficiency. So the AI sink is context-aware and action-oriented. Instead of just corresponding to commands, it actually anticipates needs, such as organizing your meal plan or managing your food inventory, right? That's it. So unlike general smart devices, our AI sink is context-aware and action-oriented. It integrates directly with device control and the kitchen workflows. The AI sink's function is built into the kitchen core workflows. It's offering actionable assistance rather than just information. We believe the security is cornerstone, right? So we use two-way encryption and security protocols during data transmission from the user end to the cloud, and to ensure that unauthorized access is impossible. And the users have full access, have full control over sensors like microphone and the camera. And the features like voice control can always be disabled at any time. We envision Oulin evolving into an integrated live assistant platform that connects kitchen, bathroom, and the living spaces. We aim to create a cohesive and adaptive home environment where AI technology works quietly in the background to ensure healthy and sustainable and a comfort life.